Former U19 World Cup winning captain Unmukt Chand is set to become the first Indian cricketer to play in Australia's Big Bash League after he signed for Melbourne Renegades for the 2021-2022 season. The 28-year-old player had called time on his playing career in India earlier this year and is currently representing the USA team. Chand had never played for the Indian senior team but was a part of 3 IPL franchises: Delhi Daredevils, Mumbai Indians and Rajasthan Royals. He had a domestic career spanning more than a decade, including 67 first-class matches. Chand, who led India to the U19 Cricket World Cup triumph in 2012, said, "I'm very excited. It is great to be a part of Melbourne Renegades family. I've always followed the Big Bash and it's a great opportunity for me to come and play some good cricket. I'm really looking forward to coming to Melbourne and to get going." Chand is currently based in the United States. He will enter the tournament high on confidence after being named player of the tournament after his side Silicon Valley Strikers won the minor league title last month. He will travel to Australia later this month and will be available for the entire duration of the tournament. Chand will play under Australia Limited over skipper Aaron Finch's captaincy in the team, which will also feature Shaun Marsh, Kane Richardson, James Pattinson among others.